The Uni token by the Uniswap exchange is going ballistic. And unless you've been living under a rock, you know that this is because of a governance proposal. A proposal that enables Uni holders to participate in the swap fees. So as you know, Uniswap is the largest decentralized exchange. And whenever you swap a token, right, token A for token B, Uniswap takes a fee. That's 0.2%. Now, most of that fee usually goes to the liquidity pool providers, or the people that give the capital for you to enable those swaps. But with that governance proposal, things might change. So let's have a look at the details here. Let's go beyond the headlines that you might see from other YouTubers. First things first, this is the rally. We are currently at $12.22. Let's have a look whether or not this can actually continue, if this is just the start. Now, here are the headlines everybody is talking about, and I will start with this as well. Uniswap's Uni token jumped 60% on proposal to reward token holders in major governance overhaul. So the person responsible for this party is Aaron Cohen. He submitted that proposal. And I will leave the link to that Twitter thread below in the video. Feel free to check that out. I will also leave the link to the proposal itself. Now here's the TLDR for all of this. Aaron Cohen proposes that you have to stake your Uni token and then delegate the voting power of your Uni tokens to somebody. So the problem Uniswap is trying to fix here is participation in governance proposals. Right now, only 10% of Uni token holders actually participate in governance, and the majority of them didn't even participate in the recent ones. And that's a problem because then a small minority can impact the development of the protocol by a lot. And so by incentivizing staking and by coupling this with governance, the Uni token is probably going to get more demand. That's why we see this price rise. Now, does it make sense to jump on this? Where will the price go? The price is always a result of demand versus supply. Let's look at supply first because that's the easier side of the equation. Let's have a look at the following chart. This chart shows us the token unlocks over time. And yes, there was terrible inflation in the Uni token. More and more tokens got issued. But look at this. We are only 5% away from maximum supply. And so the tokenomics of Uni have drastically changed now. If you've got something that doesn't dilute, but that does accrue revenue over time, that's super, super bullish. Now, let me show you the dilution problem in the past. This is the Uni token divided by Ethereum. So you want to look at relative performance, and the bear market really crushed Uni. Uni underperformed Ethereum by almost 90%. The underperformance somewhat stopped though in the last 2 years roughly. And again, that makes sense because the dilution slowed down. In September of this year, the dilution will be at 0. And that of course makes a very attractive value proposition. The big question here is, what will be the APY on that token? The proposal will be posted on March 1st and will end on March 8th. And it seems like the market believes that it will go through. I am wondering what the smart money is doing here. Are they now accumulating, or are they rather dropping and taking profit here? Let's have a look at the on-chain data because that's a nice thing about the Uni token. It's traded on Uniswap. Surprise, surprise. Let's have a look at the number of retail investors versus rather large investors, the whales. On the left side, we've got the number of wallets that hold at least 100 Uni tokens. So at the current price, that's $1,200. That's retail. In the middle, we've got medium-sized retail, so that's now $12,000. On the right, we've got the whales, that's $120,000. Now, it's interesting that the whales are the most persistent in accumulating. This is normally not what we see, but those are very long-term charts starting in 2020. I want to know what happened in the last month, and especially in the last few hours. Here we've got the last month, and yes, pretty much everyone is taking profit. Not massively, but there is some profit taking. I'm not sure if that profit taking is justified. In the end, the Uni token will get real revenue here. And because of that, I'm planning to buy some Uni tokens at this higher price. I do believe that this is still buy the rumor, sell the news. This has not yet passed. I say I will buy, not I have bought, because I always buy after publishing a video. I never front run you guys, I always buy afterwards. So you've got the opportunity to front run me, not vice versa. If it's your first time here, feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. There's also a free Telegram. Looking forward to chatting with you. Link is down below.